So, first of all, I got some chicken at the house. Oh, yeah. Next up, I got some steak. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. We would like to try mahi fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it? 3, 4. Take a fork, Mom, please. And now, how about a shrimp? Okay. Wonderful. Oh yeah. Bam! Little salt and pepper right here, ladies and gentlemen. Now,
Is it possible to get
oh yeah.
Okay.
Alright, no problem. Now this is the story. How the fuck my laptop is turned upside, and I like to take a minute, just sit right there, tell them. Oh yeah. In West Philadelphia, born and raised in the relaxing on cool, let me show you something about. When the trouble the guy, so the up and was good. So I made it trouble in my neighborhood. I got one little fun and my mom lost skin to tell them. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a good one. Oh yeah. With sweet dreams are made of these. Oh, how am I to disagree? I traveled the world and the 7 seas. Everybody looking for something. Some of them wanted you to. Some of them wanna. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them wanna love you. Yeah. Oh, that's all I know. Now. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're going in. First of all, we got the veggies. Bam! Right, here we go. Going now for the rice in the house. It's coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen.